Hello guys, welcome to Summer Autopart. This is Summer. Today I'm going to introduce the new products for G-Class. As you can see, the one on my hand is for the new G-Class 2019 years, and the one is dry carbon material for the rear seats. As we can check the PowerPoint pictures here, the rear seats back-sided dry carbon fiber cover for the seats. And why we make it? Because as you know, we have the interior dry carbon fiber kit set, which is selling hot, and most customers want to make a complete dry carbon fiber loss, so we have the idea to make it. It's much more powerful and luxury design, and this one is dry carbon fiber, so it's very lightweight. So most customers ask me to make the video to check the details of the quality of this product. So today's video just for you guys reference the quality of our mass production. The surface of the seat cover is gloss carbon fiber look, and the back side we can find from the one on my hand, there comes 4-piece bracket. This bracket means the cover is replacement one, not the glue one. Use the sticker to install on the back side. So when we install the dry carbon seat cover, we need to remove the original plastic ones and use this one, the bracket one, to extend it. So this is the back side of the seat cover, and this is the front surface. We can find that's really nice quality. So most customers would like to pay the money to get the quality one. And what's more, I want to let you know, so what's including our box, there comes the speaker cover, the chrome parts we put here, and use the stickers to put here, make the one looks more complete and nice. So if you have any questions and want to know more information about the G-Class modification, please don't be hesitant to contact Summer Autoparts. Our Rocket 900 products, which by got dry carbon fiber, is also available right now, and the production delivery time around 1 and 2 months. So if you have interest, please do some pre-order, then you can be the first one to have this product in your market. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and see you next week. Bye bye.